pain and suffering.
I'm relaxing.
Huh?
I'm relaxing. Renovating a whole...
I'm gonna have gamer rage.
I don't want to listen to that. I'm trying to...
Bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. Bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. She's renovating the house and I'm bored in the house. I'm fucking cold. It is fucking freezing. It's like, what, 11 o'clock?
Yeah, and
Oh, it's past midday and it's still like 2 degrees.
sun still hasn't properly come out.
Fuck this. Guess what? We finally caught a sunset. Ooh, that's beautiful. Forgot to bring my big camera down. I knew I should have grabbed it. Oh well. Nice, nice. Fucking hell, chat, you speak of the devil and it fucking messages you. I mentioned my father's name once and he's fucking messaging me saying to come down here and he's in the fucking neighbourhood apparently. I'm not gonna go down there, but like... Wow. It's too cold for that shit. Fucking can't ask me to come out fishing in the middle of winter. Not when you got like that. Like, holy shit, look at it. Woohoo!
You're hoping.
Anyway, this one spoke of the devil and the devil showed up. And look, devils and black cats.
But
Oh, right away.
gotta get ready because we've got to go to Auckland.
Gonna go to Auckland on a mission.
I'm not gonna have my hair like this.
Okay. Someone up. Got our essentials because Great V is elite apparently. Got our up the wires they can because disappointment and disgustingness.
Thanks, Tana. Also, I'd already bought my own drink, so.
Yeah. But anyway, Tana, if you're
thanks.
watching this, thank you so much. This is courtesy of you. And it was much needed. Cheers, guys. Let's go home.
We've still got to cook dinner.
I'm thinking a bowl of Boldax.
That means I'm cooking. No. If you're thinking Boldax, you're literally thinking that I'm cooking. That's what you're saying. Who had 2 to 3 hours sleep out of us?
I'm cooking. Not Boldax, apparently. Even though I could cook Boldax.
No, please, no. I don't want Boldax. I need actual food.
Okay. So what are we making?
Patties.
Mince patties, chips.
Okay, I wanted just patties.
And whatever else. I'm not just having patties on their own. Fuck.
Onion?
I was gonna fry off the mince and put it on toast with an egg, but like we only have one egg. So I mean, if you want it that way. All good.
Bye, guys. Hi. No.
She doesn't know how to start this. Hello, female. Blessed be.
Me.
Or whatever.
Hi.
Anyway, what fancy trick are we showing?
Oh, I've shown you guys this before sometimes, but like, so like, look, I'm bendy, very bendy. I don't know if that's an. Oh, here.
not a normal thing. You're hypermobile.
I don't know if that's normal there. I can do it on this side too. And like just lots of random things that I can do with my
She's really bendy. It's good fun.
like,
Trust me. It's real fun.
Anyway, I've never been able. That's where are you meant to even click? What fingers are you even meant to use? Can you show me how you click?
She doesn't know how to click. That's what she's trying to say.
How do you do it?
Middle finger?
Oh yeah, nah, that's never gonna work because. So if I do click, I can kind of use this finger, my ring finger, and I can kind of go like. See, that's a click-ish, but that hurts so much. But like this, that's.
She can't click.
Is that a normal thing for hypermobile?
Things just don't click for her.
Is that like a normal thing for hypermobile people, or like, look how bendy my foot is. In high school I got we had to do this flexibility test thing, and I got like the highest score that they'd ever seen before. They'd never seen a higher score in the flexibility test, and I was like, yeah. And that's always been a flex for me, is that like I got the highest score in the flexibility test because like there was a scale that you can push to. I pushed to the end of the scale and carried on pushing without bending my leg. I pushed over the scale point, and if anyone knows what I'm talking about, then you'll know what I'm talking about, but if you don't, then you don't. But like, you have to sit like this on a flat surface, and there's a
That's your toes.
yeah, that's me. Hello. And basically there was like this thing, and you had to push like this forward, and I could push all the way past without bending any form of my legs. Like, see, look, this is my legs, and like I can touch my toes without bending. I sit like this very easily with my feet perfectly touching in the butterfly position.
Like I said, a lot of fun.
Like, is it just normal not to be able to click and like?
I don't know, guys. You tell me.
Yeah, I always thought that was such a flex, babe. Apparently it's not. Apparently I'm just hypermobile.
Well, there's a lot of flex involved. Making mashed potato in a rice cooker. Hori cooking on, guys. I will never forgive the person that called that Salisbury steak. I should call it catfish steak, because it's a fucking catfish of a thing. You think you're getting steak and then you're not. It's bullshit. But anyway, I make good food, so it makes up for it.